Hi, I'm Jacob, and you most likely know me as Jacob, the maker from Native Son Wood Art. But what you may not know is that during the day and long before I knew what a maker was, I am Jacob, the chef. I've had so much fun learning to woodwork, use epoxy, and all the other various techniques that I've learned since I started my journey into becoming a maker. But I want to get back to my roots and start incorporating some cooking into my content, and not just pigeonholing myself into woodworking per se. So that's why, starting today, I'll be rebranding myself from Native Son Wood Art to Maker Cuisine. I'm very excited about this change as I believe it'll spawn that much more creative content and provide more value to you, my audience. You guys are a big part of what I do, and my main goal with my content is to make sure I'm providing as much value to you as possible. So that's why I need your help, to make sure I'm giving you the content that you want and deserve. I need to know what you think. In the comments down below, let me know what recipes and or projects that you want to see from me. Do you want to see classic recipes? Do you want to see something entirely new? Do you want to know more about processes and techniques, why I do things a certain way that I do them? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for sticking with me all up until this point, and I hope you'll stick around for the future as I have a lot of really exciting things coming up. You'll find me all on social media at Maker Cuisine, and be sure to check out my Patreon page for all new exclusive rewards and more coming soon. If you can't support me financially, that is 100% okay, because there's a lot of free ways that you can support me. You can like this video, comment down below, share it with friends, and watch to the end. All those help me immensely. Thank you so much, and be on the lookout for my first cooking video coming very soon. And remember, make moves, not excuses.